Por tantas todas las tú que amarraste bien tu cuerpo a mi cabeza, con ganas de llorar pero con fortaleza. Escúchame, mamá, 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 paremos la ciudad, sacando un pecho fuera al puro estilo de la Croix. Mamá, 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 por tantas todas las vivan las
Everyone in the world has gone to bed one night or another with fear or pain or loss. And yet each of us has awakened, arisen, somehow made our ablution, seen other human beings, and said, "Morning, how are you?"
Hi, namaste.
Ciao.
Good morning.
Hola.
You may write me down in history with your bitter, twisted lies. You may trod me in the very dirt, but still like dust, I'll rise. Did you want to see me broken? Bowed head and lowered eyes, shoulders falling down like teardrops, weakened by my soulful cries. Does my sassiness upset you? Don't take it so hard just because I laugh. As if I have gold mines digging in my own backyard. You can shoot me with your words. You can cut me with your lies. You can kill me with your hatefulness. But just like life, I rise. Up from a past rooted in pain, I rise. A black ocean leaping and wide, welling and swelling, I bear in the tide. I rise. We rise.
Este te deja.